I'm back again. I really fancy doing a denim eye makeup look. I don't know why. I've been tidying my makeup room and finding colours that might work. Whether they've been discontinued or not, I don't know. But it's all about having a bit of fun with makeup. So let's have a play. So I feel like I should probably start with eyes because there might be some fall down, and blue falling down under your eyes is horrific. So let's start with eyes. I'm going to use the new Lisa Eldridge pinpoint pen just to shape my brows first, because I have quite a lot of redness around my brows that I just want to get rid of. And I have a bit of a pigmentation mark here, which makes my brows look slightly more sinister and evil, so I'm going to just pop a little bit of this on those areas. So I'm just shaping it around my brow, and then I can either use my finger or a brush to buff that in. That one's in shade number 5. So I'm then taking a Real Technique shading brush and just buffing that away. Rare Beauty Shape and Fill in taupe. I don't know if they still do this. I'm taking a number 7 brush. I love this number 7 brush for doing this. It's got enough stability and point to shape the brows, but it's not too sharp that it makes them too defined. If that makes sense. And I'm just using it just to thicken the brows slightly. If you have any series that's worth watching, please let me know. Ian and I are currently watching The Agency. I think it's called, with Michael Fassbender. I think we got the last one tonight. We watched before that a film which was Boneyard with Mel Gibson. Meh. I was really gutted because I was really enjoying it. I was like, oh, where's it going to go? Where's it going to go? True story. They never find the person. I was like, how? I've just watched a whole show and there's no ending. There's no happy after. I was like, ah. But if you've got any shows that you're loving, I've probably watched most of them, but please, please, please let me know. So brows fuller, I could stop there. I look better already. The Old Faithful. Just to add a little bit of definition to my brows. There's a little globule that's gone there. Just very, very annoying. That one little scar on my brow from chickenpox. Most annoying. Let me take my NYX pen and see if we can get rid of it. Yeah. Next, I'm going to take my Hourglass concealer. And just pop it on the inside and outside of my lid. Reason I've chosen this one is it's really lightweight, so it will blend nicely without leaving too much product. I don't want something that's going to be too heavy when I use a kajal over the top. I don't want it to kind of drag the kajal or even change the colour of it slightly. So this is just a really lightweight concealer. For some reason my eye socket's super dry in there. Didn't even notice it. It's okay though. So I went through my pencils and I thought, oh, I'll use MAC Blues. Looked online, see, discontinued. MAC only have like 5 eye pencils that they still do. Coffee, black, maybe Prunella. I can't even remember if Prunella was there, which would be devastating if it's not. No Power Surge. They still have the white, which I think is, you know, when you can have colours like this or to match your skin, I think white is very stark. But yeah, a bit disappointing. Anyway, so I then reached for a Victoria Beckham one. I needed one that would smudge quite nicely, hence why I was looking for a kohl. So I went for the Victoria Beckham one in Navy Noir. And that is going all over my mobile lid, and I'm going to blend it out. I'm taking a synthetic base shadow brush because it will clean up better. Blue is a colour that is not very flattering on me, I always think. Let's see. I need a smaller brush. That's really nice on its own. It almost feels like it doesn't need an eyeshadow over the top, but I'm going to do it because I spent ages bloody finding one. I'm going to take this off my top waterline as well. And then copy and paste. Now I really don't feel it needs the eyeshadow over the top, but I hunted for so long to find an eyeshadow, so we're going to go this one. I'm taking this one MAC 217. I'm just dusting it over the top. This is more of a makeup escapism. There's so much going on in the world that I don't want to try and sell you something, or I haven't got anything to try and sell you anyway, but I just wanted to do makeup that just lets you enjoy it, watch it and escape. Now if I did a much thinner brow with this would be more of a 60s style makeup. Next, back in with my Victoria Beckham pencil and just run that along the lash line. The upper lash line, not in the waterline. And just softly smudge that. So I could easily take that inside and under and make it all smoky, but I think I want to concentrate on the colour being on the top. So I'm just going to clean up the underneath, just in case there was any blue fall down. So I saw this foundation featured a little bit, which is a cushion foundation by Tia, I imagine. I'm not sure if that's correct. So I ordered it. I didn't want to buy the whole thing because I'm just not going to use it, but I liked how it looked and I was interested. So I thought I'm going to order some samples, give it a try. I'll use a sponge so it still has the cushioning effect, and let's see what sort of coverage it has. Brightening and anti-wrinkle. Thick, thick. Let's do neutral beige. I'm going to try neutral beige. I've got a bit of tan at the moment, so let's give that a go. I'm going to try neutral beige. I've got a bit of a tan at the moment, so hopefully this will be the right colour. Here we go. Ooh, it's really nice. Probably could have gone a little bit lighter, but it was guesswork. What do you think? It's really good. I didn't expect it to be as nice as that. It's a tiny bit too dark for me. What do you think? It's really nice. I really want to try the right colour now, but I just don't want to waste it. It's really nice. That one was 29N Neutral Beige. Back in with my concealer, just to lift any areas that are now a little bit too dark because the foundation was a tiny bit too dark. I'm going to take a brush to blend that. This is the MAC Real Techniques 421. So just putting that in any places that I want to project forward a little bit. These are a bit too deep sunken, so I'm pushing them forward. Under my eyes, want to push forward. Jawbone, want to pop out. Next, in with mascara. I can't tell you what it is, but it's launching tomorrow. I can come back and write the details tomorrow. Next, the number 7 Pro Artist Bronzer in Light Glow. I'm going to take 2 of Daniel Sandler's watercolour blushes in Chelsea and Moon Glow. A little touch of Moon Glow first, and that is just going to go on the top of my cheekbones. And then Chelsea, really work it into my brush, is just going to go up higher. Kind of over the top, but just a little bit more around the cheek. Not here on my cheek, because that's too low for me, so I need to go higher. I want to lift my cheeks a little. If I put it on the apples of my cheeks, it will drop my face, because the apples of my cheeks have dropped off my face. Suddenly got super dark in here. No daylight outside at all. Just going to take a little bit of Charlotte Tilbury powder, this is in 01, and just pop it under my eyes, because in my phone, which I'm filming as well, my eyes look really, really high shine, and it's only because there's no daylight at the moment, so I wouldn't normally do this, but I'm just going to flatten it down. And because my lips are tattooed to a natural colour, I'm just going to use a little bit of oil on my lips just to emphasise them. First of all, I'm using it to take off any excess makeup that might be on them. They're still a little bit dry because I only had them touched up earlier in the week. But this is the colour my lips will stay now. It's hardly any difference to my natural lip colour, but what it has done is where my lips have faded at the top and they've almost blended away, it's just given me a more sharper natural lip line. And now my lips are just one uniform colour. And that is my finished denim eye makeup, and then I've gone for a little Grace Jones moment. Don't forget to give me some inspiration if there's anything you want to see. Bye.